And we're back. Okay, yeah, we're back. So, we were mining, I think. Oh, excuse me. And yeah, that's basically it. To the left is the way out, I think. Oh, I know, it was to the right. Okay, right is out. Oh, iron. That was good. Oops. Oh, here we go. Oh, I think that's needed. Not really, but we'll take it anyway. Just for safety. And for the XP. That didn't give me XP, I think it's random. That sounds a call there. Okay, I don't have any torches. I hardly have any sticks, so that's bad. A lot of flames. Okay, so left is back, so I'm gonna put to the right. And yeah. Ooh, I might not want to go down there yet. Let's see. I have still a spare pick. The skeleton's dying. Just like my pick. So let's go back to the left. Yeah, I remember this. To the left. It's been a while actually since I've played this map, I guess. Let's to the right. So yeah, arrow. To the left, to the left. That's to the right, so we'll go here. There you go. See? Really handy system. And it's the dead of night. Okay. So we have tons of coal. Yeah, we're gonna have to eat Jeffrey. I don't want to get a sickness by eating a raw chicken, but I don't want to waste my coal either, so let me just kill some animals. If there are any animals that get food. Okay, we probably want to get a bow. Sandstone. Might be useful, actually. Spending our house here, making our bedroom, I guess. I have no idea how long I've been recording, actually. I didn't set my time. I'm not going to end it here, though. Not gonna be boring. I wish you could make cool armor and stuff. Call me butter. Damn you. Dame. Dame. Get it? Dame. No, okay. Dang. I'm going to burn. Oh. Screw you. I just helped him. Damn it. Oh my god, this guy is MLG. I'm going to die because of him. Wow, what? What a troll. Wow. At least we have our food back. That's, I guess, a good thing. Wow, nice orgasm. Okay, so this dickhead is down. Oh, he did shoot the zombie. That would be hilarious. Oh, water. Okay. I think that was all my stuff. Looks about everything. Wait, where's my pick? No. Dang it. Oh, there's some more. So a whole coal stack. Oh, never mind. A whole coal stack. Nah, it's just 8. Too bad. Yeah, where is my pick? I don't think I broke it. Whatever. Oh my god, they're so annoying with the new update. Oh yeah, can't you right under you, eh? Sucker. Oh my god, the new update just made them so annoying. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. Now you should be able to cook eggs and get fried eggs. Oh yeah, I'm going to sneak up on this guy. He doesn't see me. Shh, keep quiet. Oh, he sees me. See, that one was easy because I could hide behind trees and stuff. Sounds are never good in the open. Oh wait, yeah. Oh wait, no, never mind. I was about to say, I can make cookies. No, I can't. My mind trolled me. What the hell? Random grass block? Oh, I heard chicken. Alright. Dead. Sucker. You're a pal too. And you're a pal too. And you're a pal too. Oh, we're gonna be able to make 2Ks already with these amount of eggs. Make that 3. We got this chicken bill. Just die already. Oh my god, he's immortal. He's immortal chicken. My god, the hitbox was so messed up. Oh, okay, we can make 4 apparently. The sun is, it's midday. Okay, so how do you think oh yeah, make sure to check out my new website, it's way better than the other one. The link will be in the description, so yeah. Okay, let's see, we're gonna need 1 actually. Fresh poultry. Oh, drumstick. Ooh, drumsticks. I like drumsticks. Okay, we'll let that cook. Actually, I think I'm going to make another one. For iron. Let's see, we have 24 iron. Ooh, that makes 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. So, I think my calculations are right. Yeah, they are. So, I think it's 8 stuffs per coal. Yeah, sounds about right. 8 stuffs per coal. Wow. Are these all chickens there? Definitely not the one I'm hearing. Listening there, super screech or sonic voice. Supersonic chicken. Wow. Yeah, that would be annoying. Where the hell are you? I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna eat you, I guess. Why can't I see him? Am I blind or something? You're probably screaming at the screen right now. Darius, 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 you blind piece of shit, Darius, 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 Darius. No, that's why you're probably not going to be screaming. But it's good. Okay, you know what, chicken? Wait, did I just see you? Oh wait, is that you? No, that's a flower. What? Ooh, I just heard an egg. Huh. Boom. Yep. we can make an iron bouillon. I'm going to make the rest out of this out of pebbles. Yeah. Shit. I knew that was going to happen. Oh yeah, we don't have a pick. Shit, man, we don't have a pick. Wow, that's a bit ironic. We have more stone than we have. Oh, dang it. Pickaxe or stone. I'll just mine this sucker. Okay, we're not going to have enough stone. Oh no. Dang it. Is it tree chicken? Yes, it is. It's a tree chicken, the worst kind. We must kill him. Your doom has arrived. Oh, by the way, if anyone saw Doom, they probably know. If you watch it at night, you'll probably shit your pants and probably get a heart attack. Just like I did. Not literally, but almost. I mean, that's so scary in the, yeah, scary in the night. Oh my god. I'm going to die again. Well, if I die or not, you can finish my sentence. You'll see in the next episode. 'Cause I am going to end it here as soon as I get my iron out. And eat some chicken. Actually, no. I'm going to eat this. Okay, yeah, I'm going to eat this. I'm going to have dinner. In the morning, I guess. Because I'm recording this in the morning. We still don't have a pick. Or do we? Oh, yes, we do. Well, I don't want to stop it, but I have to. Let's see. Yeah, well, we'll end it here in our, I guess, future bedroom. I'm going to make this a bedroom. And yeah, guys, I guess I'll see you. Oh, wait, I know something. We can replace this with these two suckers. And then almost finish it up. Okay, that's a bit awkward. Just fell down. Anyway, I'm going to stop it right here, and I guess I'll see you next time, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe for more awesome videos. Okay, guys, so turns out I can record longer, so here you go. Right now, we're just going to go back into the mine, get some more stone. look at that. Hell yeah. Okay, we have 15 minerals, I guess, okay. More coal. I kinda wanna get it. Filth. I love pirate language. It's so funny. Feeling a bit dizzy, actually. Not really dizzy, but I guess you could say. Not really dizzy, but... I don't know. Okay, let's go up. What the hell, go up? Oh wait, is that a normal potato? Yeah, it is. Oh. Should put it in first like that. Cooked tater. Yeah, I got it from a zombie, if you don't remember. Let's see. Yeah, this looks right. Now we need to get some sand. So let me just make a shovel for that. Oh wait, no, let me just put this in for now. So we don't have anything else to cook. And let me just make a shovel. Shovel of iron. Oh, shovel of steel. Same thing. Well, not really, because it's iron and not steel. That's nice quick. So yeah, I think I'm going to be making an adventure map. Like a, not adventure map, more like a survival map. Yeah, something like that. And I think I'm going to be making a series out of that too. So yeah. My plans, at least. If you want to hear more of my plans, I think I recommend you go to my website and then sign in, and then you'll see. Okay, let's see, 32 will be 4 coal. Look at me doing maths like a boss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put in 1 here. I don't care if we waste a half. Okay, that's going smoothly. Should I make? Nah. Let's see, it's a tree. Okay, so yeah, link will be in the description for my website as always. And this is the OCD texture pack. If you don't know, it won't be in my description. Well, because I already. I have no idea if I actually posted the description in the last episode. So I think I'm just going to do that actually. Okay, more iron. Perfect. Seeing object. Wow. Boom. Portal. Or portal. I have no idea. Or DJ portal. Worst pirate accent ever. Okay, I need more. Let's see. 3, 4. Come on. Perfect. Let's make more portal. I'm just going to go like that. I guess this can be like my shooting, where I can shoot my bow and arrows out. Out of the way. Yeah, I guess so. It might be useful. Nobody can shoot me through here anyway. With some kind of skeleton MLG boss or something. I have no idea. I just named something. So yeah, let that burn. And while we make our roof, tons of wood. Okay. We might actually want. Do we want another staircase up? I don't know. Guess we could. Might as well. Can't see. Yeah, I think when I finish the staircase, I'm gonna end it. Let me just make an axe. Oh, we already have one. Okay, derp. Let's just use it then. Okay, let's see. Let's line it. Oh wait, no. I was about to say let's line it up. That's what she said. Yeah, I think I'm going to shut up now. Use this stack. There's no staircase. Let's see how it looks from the outside, actually. I'm going to make it... Oh yeah, that's going to be awesome. I'm going to make a diving board. I'm going to make a crafting table. I want to go back down. Dang it. To make a crafting table. So I have no idea how we're going to do this, but we're going to do this a long way from London. 3, 1, 2, 3. Boom, diving board. Geronimo! Oh, I didn't even jump. Whatever. It works. Yeah, it looks nice actually. You know, it's okay. I saw a creeper here earlier, so I hope he doesn't blow up. Blow AWP. And okay, this was it for the episode, guys. So yeah, see ya. Bye.